there, it's Miss Susie here. And look, some feathered friends have joined us today on the board. Let's hurry and count them before they fly south for the winter. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 birds on our board today. And one of these hungry birds has caught a wiggly worm. Let's find it together. Let's ask Orange Bird, have you caught the worm? No. Let's try the Pink Bird. Pink Bird, have you caught the worm? No. Let's try Blue. Blue Bird, have you caught the worm? No. Let's try the Purple Bird. Purple Bird, have you caught the worm? No. Let's count how many birds we have left. 1, 2, 3 more birds left on the board. And let's ask Yellow Bird, have you caught the worm? No. Let's try Red. Red Bird, have you caught the worm? Oh my goodness, we found it! Here is our wiggly worm. And let's check the Green Bird just in case. Green Bird, have you caught a worm too? No, only one wiggly worm up on the board today, hiding behind the Red Bird. Now I'd like to share some riddles with you. Can you guess what kind of bird I'm talking about? I am tiny and fast. Ooh, can you hear my hum? What bird makes a humming sound when they fly? Why, it must be the hummingbird. Let's place it up on the board. I live where it is cold. Ooh, I look like I am wearing a tuxedo. What kind of bird could I be talking about? Oh, could it be the penguin? Let's put the penguin up on the board too. I have tall, skinny legs. I am usually pink. Who could it be? You guessed it. It's the flamingo. Let's add the flamingo to the board. I like water. Some people feed me bread. I say quack, quack. Who says quack, quack? Why, it must be our friend, the duck. Let's add the duck to the board. I am bigger than a duck. I like to say honk, honk. Who could that be? I think I heard the right answer. It's a goose. Let's add the goose to the board. There we go. I am old. I am wise. I like to hunt before sunrise. Who could it be? I bet you know the answer. It's our friend Owl. Let's add the owl to the board too. Now, how many riddles did we solve today? We can find out by counting the number of birds we placed on the board. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why, we solved 6 riddles today. Well done. Now, let's pretend that our fingers are birds called chickadees. Let's hold them up and get them ready to fly. 5 little chickadees pecking at the door. 1 flew away, and then there were 4. 4 little chickadees sitting in a tree. 1 flew away, and then there were 3. 3 little chickadees looking at you. 1 flew away, and then there were 2. 2 little chickadees sitting in the sun. 1 flew away, and then there was 1. 1 little chickadee left all alone. 1 flew away, and then there were none. Let's try that rhyme one more time. 5 little chickadees pecking at the door. 1 flew away, and then there were 4. 4 little chickadees sitting in a tree. 1 flew away, and then there were 3. 3 little chickadees looking at you. 1 flew away, and then there were 2. 2 little chickadees sitting in the sun. 1 flew away, and then there was 1. 1 little chickadee left all alone. 1 flew away, and then there were none. We saw a lot of different birds today. Do you see birds in your neighborhood too? Have you ever seen a red cardinal sitting high up in a tree? Or a blue jay eating acorns on the ground? Don't forget to look for birds the next time you look or go outside. How many can you find? See you next time!